Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed judges and fellow students, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Basem, a 10th grade student at Senior High School 1 Gondangwetan. Was born in the city of Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Today, I stand before you to share a personal journey, a journey of navigating the delicate balance between academic and extracurricular activities. As a student, I faced the challenges of managing a huge academic workload while pursuing my passions outside the classroom. Apart from studying, I engaged some other activities to do, such as student organization or OSIS, Scout extracurricular twice a month. I also prioritize physical exercises by attending the gym 5 times a week in the evening. So, let me take you through the strategies and the insights I've gathered on the art of time management. First and foremost, it's crucial to recognize the value of time prioritization. And in my experience, understanding the importance of each task allows me to allocate my time effectively by identifying academic and extracurricular based on their commitments. I create a roadmap that guides me through the complexities of my schedule. I make time schedule based on priority using my Notion app. This application serves as my digital assistant, helping me organize, plan, and set daily reminders for my daily activities. Its user-friendly interface and customization features has proven to keep me on track. Dear audience, setting realistic goals has been a game changer in my time management approach. Instead of overwhelming myself with unrealistic to-do lists, I break down tasks into manageable chunks. This not only makes the workload seem less daunting, but also creates a sense of accomplishment as I check off each completed task. So, I use a checklist on my Notion app to track the completion of my tasks, helping me distinguish which task is already done and which tasks I still need to complete. Ladies and gentlemen, let's not forget the importance of self-care in this demanding juggling act, ensuring I allocate time for my relaxation to allow me to approach both academic and extracurricular with a clear and energized mind. Balancing work and leisure is not a luxury, but a necessity for sustained productivity. Usually my relaxation time is on Saturday and Sunday, where I take the opportunity to sleep, chill, relax, and listen to some music. In conclusion, managing academic and extracurricular is not a one-size-fits-all endeavor. It's a personalized journey of trial, self-discovery, and error. I would make adjustment in my Notion app if I didn't feel comfortable with my current plan. Make an adjustment to find the best schedule for me. Thank you all for joining me on this reflective exploration of time management, and we may all find the balance in time management. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.